I'm going to start by taking you through the 5 steps of submitting for app review. Step 1. Select the permissions and features you're requesting in the app review section of your developer dashboard. Search for each permission you need individually and add them to your submission by clicking the Request button. Reminder: only request the permission and features your app needs right now. If you don't need it, don't select it. You can add others later if you needed, and then submit for re-review. Step 2. Complete app verification. Clicking anywhere in the row of this section will display the app verification details window. Select Yes if your users can sign into your app with login or any of our authentication solutions. This tells us we can access your app using a Facebook account. Then, confirm that information is displayed correctly in the platform settings. In your own words, describe how we can access your app for testing. We'll use our test user credentials to test your app. If you want us to use test credentials that you've created, include them in your description. Do not include the test credentials for your personal Facebook account. Step 3. Provide usage descriptions for each permission or feature in the Requested Permissions and Features section. Be as specific as possible. If you're having trouble describing why your app needs a permission or feature, try answering these questions. How does it help my users? Why does my app need it? How does my app use this data? And would my app be less useful without it? Let's check an example of a permission request for user likes in the music app called Sasquatch. Here, the developer demonstrates how user likes allows the app to build personalized recommendations. They have validated the reason for requesting information. This is the level of detail you should provide in your submission. Provide a description and a screen recording for each permission and feature you request. When you create the descriptions for each permission, do not copy and paste. We will notice. Step 4. Complete your app settings. Click into the section and confirm that your settings are complete and correct. If any are incomplete, update them here. There are 5 things you need to pay attention to when you update your app settings. Your app icon. Make sure your icon does not include any trademarks or logos of Meta or its subsidiaries. The link to your privacy policy. You must have a privacy policy in place for your users. Provide the URL here. The purpose of your app. If you need help completing this field, visit the Submitting for Review resource page. The category that accurately describes your app. Primary contact information. Provide an email account that you have direct access to. This is where we'll send all notifications for your app review submission. And finally, step 5, submit for review. Once you accept the terms and hit submit, your submission will be added to our queue. If your app has modes, only switch to live mode after you have completed app review.